Alright, so we've let our piece for the floor sit in here for about an hour and a half. As you can see, all that gray is where the rust was. This brown here is where the adhesive for it's the track for the weather strip gasket. So it's cleaned that up really well. And I've already poured a mixture of the baking soda and water. I put the baking soda in here, and this helps neutralize it. So what you want to do here from this point, whether it be big or small, just take like this pad and a little bit of the baking soda water and scrub it really good. Just kind of work it in there, and that'll get all the hydrochloric or muriatic acid neutralized, and it won't come back and creep back and give you trouble, through your paint and all that stuff. But it cleans it up very nicely. I was wondering if it was even really usable, and it looks like it is. Very clean. And we'll put it in there. I'll lay this down here and show you where we're at. I went ahead and welded this piece in, and I even ran the piece up inside of here. We'll clean that up a little bit, got it hammered down flat, and that's what we got. So it's pretty, once you get that track in there, it'll kind of solidify that it'll deaden it a little bit when you do that, because it's really just shaking there. Has nothing to hold on to, but that's where we're at. And I'll make that little piece that we just dipped in the acid, fit it back in here, weld it in, give it some track to butt up to, and we'll have a nice kind of a template to go off of. Turn that off. So again, just stick with us, see what we got going on.